Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjas Liang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ubah Preston Tensong uberi sumbut bintirang ba hakhat nyotrek kelah lengkot arajar pausan. Ulang makasarkar MDA Balei dek NPP kebun kam Menteri Shitam hak bawan ra ikam penroy bat kiski meper-per. Kiba penmentoi kipat ba berkam don puas satya banyak Pynlut kai ya kepor banjuba ke Jingkynnoh bamsongnian di Liang Pyrshah. Ubah Preston lepen pau ya kane lo ke jingpen kre jong ke NPP ya ke election jong ke district council keban selong harilum khasi berilum jaintia hakar puwai tu rempang arajar pausan. Shushu lo ang bekam de shu ke ek bethamai bagi seng sang berthai ke bidan hak Liang Pyrshah kin kedokti bakin Jingkynnoh lai phojat ya ke parti ke babat yo lakam sejar hak jella.
I don't see any kind of impact on that. See why I'm saying that. See, if you talk about corruption, I think any opposition, any party who is not in the government, I think this is not a new thing. You must have seen throughout India, opposition or the party who's outside the government, they always charge, oh, government is corrupted, government is corrupted. It happened that way. And I think that is not a new thing. So be it BPP, be it in a party, it is their duty to say that. Even me also, if I'm in the opposition, I have to say that this government is corrupted, this government is like that, this government is like that. Otherwise, your name will be washed away. You get my point? So I will not spend much time on this because ultimately I'm telling you the best way to see is on the 24th of February, the counting day. Then only we will understand.
So do you think anti-incumbency will play a major factor in the MDC elections?
What anti-incumbency are you talking about?
It's people in power being voted out.
I don't know. I just name now these projects that it's being implemented by who? 5,000 crore plus. I think it is not at all a joke. It is not at all a joke. And then if you talk about 15,000 crores, again that corridor road. So can you imagine that a Meghalaya state, which is a small state, we get so much projects, we get so much schemes. Why we get? Because the government is very active. We are able also to convince the government of India. That's why we get this. We don't spend time here to say people that, oh, this fellow is like that, this fellow is like that. We don't have time to do that. We have time only to go to Delhi and with a bowl, folded hand, please give us. No matter if we have to bow down our head, we have to. For whom? For the interest of our people in the state. That is our duty. That is our agenda. Therefore, I don't have time to talk about other party. I don't have time to talk about anybody. But we have a sleepless night. How to bring more projects, more schemes in our state. And these projects, this scheme, it does not mean for Preston. It does not mean that it is benefited to Preston's family. It is benefited to the citizens of the state, generation to generation. Hi nakatagdam, ti ngajar keteng ini. Kini tangki big project ki bengala. Bapini kren ni sa kasorkar MDO government. 4 don ha ka history jong Meghalaya. Nget yang akam 4 don ha ka history jong Meghalaya. Nando ukhat kan dai Spanyol pu ara dum ta kadai kan ne ke government. Ko bangi yalam nado aja kat pra. Hadu menta kasngi kabalala banora kat kini ke project ki bang ngimju Fox New ngimju poi perkat. Kenai kata ngai ya kejing bisar pai ba. Namar bateng teng kejing persekutu bekla ka bun jaj bun hukum tenrei ya kata ngam om kom no taba ngingi kwa kini ke project lawan ngi kwa pendem hapok kapor ka babiang kenang ba kan lo kejing mentoi ki pai ba jo ke jalan Meghalaya.